All right, I got a couple of boxes that came in today. I know what's in them, so I'm going to open them up. Now, in this box is a watch. All right, I already know that. I'm going to tell you that. Probably about 11 years ago, we were on a cruise, and I bought an Invicta watch. And that Invicta watch looked just like a Rolex Submariner. Loved it. Anytime I wore the watch, somebody would say they couldn't tell the difference between the Invicta and the real Submariner. I don't think they knew what they were looking for, but quite honestly, from 6 feet away, you would have sworn it was a Rolex Submariner. And that was okay. And then, I don't know, I'm going to say maybe 5 years ago, 6 years ago, it went missing. I swear to this day it's somewhere in the house. People do cleaning, move things around, put things where they don't belong sometimes, or just not leave them alone where they were. And as a result of that, no one can remember what they did with the watch, where it is, what happened to it. I know it's in the house somewhere, but I'm not going to spend all the time looking for it. So anyway, a very similar watch came for sale on eBay of all places last week. And I said, I kind of missed that watch I had, so I'm gonna buy this. And I did, and it's come in now, and we're gonna open it, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Now, instead of Invicta this time, this is the name of it, Montres Prestige. It's going to look like a Rolex Submariner, but it is nowhere near the quality of it. Please trust me. Montres Prestige. So we're going to open it, and I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to let you decide for yourself what you think. And here it is. Okay? It looks pretty nice, doesn't it? I'll take it out of the box. I may have to take some bands off of it. And it does have a plastic guard on it. I'm taking that off as well right now. But I'm going to show it to you. And there it is. Obviously, it doesn't have the sweep second hand slow movement that Rolex does. The Invicta did happen to have it. I think this is a quartz movement, and I think it's battery. And that's okay, I don't really care, all right? There will be some adjustability in the strap. I gotta see how to take it off, I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, you pinch that and it comes off. I will put it on in place of my iWatch, Apple Watch, and I will put this on. Goes on pretty easily. It's a little loose. I'm gonna have to tighten it up a little bit, but there you have it. That's what it looks like. It's a Submariner type look-alike watch. Okay. And what I will end up doing is I don't have any room to go here. I'm going to have to take a link out. I'm going to have to work on taking a link out. That's just the way it is. I don't have any choice. Okay? Easy to go on. Strap is nice and easy. Kind of big. It's a little big. But you can take a good look at it. I'll take it off so you can see it. I'll hold it up close for you so you get a good look at it. Is the time even right on it? No. It's off a couple of hours. And like a Submariner, it doesn't even have a date window in it, which I didn't even notice before. 5:45 here in the East Coast. 5:45 right there. A pretty watch. I'll wear it for dress on occasion. I won't wear it every day. but I did want to replace the one that got lost. The Invicta one, I can tell you right off the bat, it was a little higher quality, but beggars can't be choosers sometimes, right? So we're going to put this back on the pillow it came in. I'm happy to have it. It was very, very reasonably priced. That's how it looks in the box. That's how it's presented in the box. Okay. It's not real gold, not anything like that. It's not even a calendar watch. However, on the package, single double calendar quartz watch, but it is not a calendar watch. So sometimes people can't even get the directions straight or the pamphlet straight. But that's the watch. Comes in a nice box. I'm not raving about it. It's just a watch, okay? I did want to unbox it for you and show it to you. And now you've seen it. And now I'll say thanks for watching this video. And I hope you have the rest of a great day.